Adding Cloudflare to your WordPress site enhances performance and security by utilizing its content delivery network and other features. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for Cloudflare. Visit cloudflare.com and create a free account. Add your website's domain name when prompted, and Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review DNS records. Cloudflare will display your current DNS settings. Verify these records to ensure they are accurate. Enable the orange cloud icon for records you want routed through Cloudflare. Change name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Log into your domain registrar and replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Install the Cloudflare plugin on WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Cloudflare and install the official plugin. Activate the plugin and log in with your Cloudflare credentials. Optimize settings. In the Cloudflare plugin, enable settings like automatic HTTPS and caching. Configure performance features such as minification of CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Test and monitor. Confirm your site is running smoothly and monitor performance improvements through Cloudflare's dashboard.